Letter number 7. To Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I have received from you the packet of unconnected advices and the embellished letter. You have written it because of your misguidance, and dispatched it because of lack of wisdom. This is the letter of a man who has neither light to show him the way, nor a leader to guide him on the right path. Passion prompted him and he responded to it. Misguidance led him and he followed it. Consequently, he began to speak nonsense and became recklessly astray. Because allegiance is once and for all, it is not open to reconsideration, nor is there any scope for fresh proceedings of election. He who remains out of it is deemed to be critical of Islam, while he who prevaricates upon it is a hypocrite.